What's good with y'all? What's good? I'm tuning in for another video. Had to do a separate intro because I'm gonna make this a separate video, man. Wifey gonna go down the track for the first time in Meech. So this is the same day we dropped John Jones off, but we about to let her go down the track in Meech. So I'm about to go and make we're gonna make 2 laps. Like I said, not much, man. Just something to do. Ain't nothing else to do. And before I pull it out, I want to see what it do. I want to see what kind of time it run. I know it's gonna run about a 10, cause this thing is not fast at all. It just to have fun. Perfect car for wifey to get some practice in and all that. So we're gonna see how she cut the tree. Might let her get two runs in, cause we can hot lap this. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. So we might let her get 2 laps in, and I get a couple in myself and literally leave. Like, that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna put the GoPro on the inside, catch her driving. I definitely want to see that, man. I cannot wait to see that. So, yep, we're going to get her out here. Then we're going to head to the track. Try to catch it before it closes and before it get too cold. So, that's what's planned today. Like I said, I had to make this a separate video, man. I didn't want to put it all in the same video because it would have been kind of stretched out. So, y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So, we checking in. She about to make her first shakedown ever. You nervous?
Yes, I am a little nervous.
Man, she done asked me a million questions on the way.
I've never done this before. I'm trying to prepare myself.
What is it to be nervous about? She is too nervous, and she done asked me 1,000 questions for real. So
Yes.
come on, we can make it happen. Then we going home. The girls up there in the tower watching. So y'all see, she is too nervous. I'm telling you, keep asking questions.
Yeah, because I gotta know what to do.
The GoPro, we got the GoPro going in there. I told her she got to do a burnout and all, the whole 9. We're going.
Oh, damn. When it go to green.
Keep it to the left. Keep it to the left. Turn to the left. Back up. Keep it to the left. Keep it to the left. Keep it like that. Back up. Alright. Alright, roll your window up. Now you're going to get ready to take off. I know. Come on. Roll all the way up. First pass, y'all. Keep going up. Just a little bit. Hold on. Right there. Oh. See, now it's finna get ready. She got off early, y'all. got out the gas early. I told her to go down to the what's the name. I'm finna go ahead and see what the kid doing, man. He did second tickets. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So we back. Ricky Bobby. Ricky Bobby.
I did it. I was nervous, but I'm glad I did it, y'all. I think I did good for my first time.
Yeah, she did good. She did good. She pressed it to the floor. I ain't think she was gonna press it to the floor, but she stopped early though. You stopped before the finish line.
Yeah, I did. And I realized that too. And I was like, oh, too late now. I gotta put on brakes and stop.
Yeah, it's over with. So if y'all want to see what she ran, cause she was vlogging and stuff too, go over to her vlog. She gonna reveal what she ran on her channel. It's on the screen, Days with Kendra. So y'all make sure to go check out her vlog and all of that. Like I said, she gonna tell you what she ran, and all that good stuff. And the burnout GoPro footage on her channel too. I just got the pass on my channel, so I got the actual shakedown, which y'all saw. But if you want to see her burnout, which y'all, you got to see that. You got to see the burnout from the GoPro perspective. You got to see that. You got to see it in the car from the GoPro perspective. So you want to see that, and the actual burnout too, the footage. You got to go to her channel and see that too. Cause like I said, I just literally put up the pass, like when she took off and when she in the GoPro. But she got the burnout stuff on her channel, man. The burnout is funny. The burnout funny, cause boy, that wheel hot too, boy. That thing was, I said, woo, woo, woo. I said, woo wee. So yeah, man, that's it. So wifey shook Big Meech down. That was her first time ever on the track. I'm proud of her. She was nervous. The kids, they was up in the tower watching, and I don't know. Like I say, I had to take the family in the car one last time before we set it down. Cause next time we set it down, boy, it's gonna be y'all hear Tina in there. Don't want to get out. But next time Big Meech file, it's gonna be a hog. The hog is gonna be in here. No more stop, nothing, none of that. So next time it's gonna be a whole nother ball game. These wheels and tires gonna be off. This hood scoop gonna be off. The fuel system gonna be different. It's gonna be a whole nother ball game. So, yep, this it. So wifey got to feel what her motor feel like. It's gonna be faster than her car though. Cause her car lighter. She got a 350 transmission, a 3-speed, and she gonna have a lower gear, a 323 gear, but it's gonna be faster than in her car. So I figure it'll run. Like I said, y'all saw what I did on my video, but like I said, just go over to her video. Make sure to go subscribe to her channel and stuff too. Go check her video out, see that burnout footage, and she gonna tell you what time she ran, man. She gonna tell you what time she ran. So yep, that's it, man. Good day. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Look at Tina. Tina tired. She didn't want to get out of Big Meech. Tina, you didn't want to get out?
No, she was sitting in the car and didn't say nothing.
What?
She was sitting in the car all by herself and didn't.
You got scared, Tina? Huh? She tired.
Yeah.
She tired. Both of them tired, y'all. But yeah, that's it. We'll catch y'all tomorrow on the next video. See what adventure we're gonna get into then. So appreciate everybody. I'm out.